So the UI that can be seen here is actually the UI for the MixCertificate bulk certificate generation platform. Here we have like 5 steps. Now the step 1 is create an event. Now I can choose the email like this, and I can say like test, and I can give some number like 98. Then in event description I can give a sample description, sample, and it will basically pre-populate the start date and the end date. If you wanted to configure, we can do that. Otherwise, we can leave as it is. Then we can enter a location like Bangalore, and we can enter any dummy URL, or if we have any actual URL, then we can enter that. For example, I enter this URL. Then in next step, it will basically ask to select the certificate template. Now we have various certificate templates. We can choose any of them. For example, if I choose this certificate, I can also preview it from here so as to show a bigger picture of the same. This one, national esports tournament, and then I can basically select this. Now it will basically ask us select the contact list. Now what is contact list? Now contact list is actually a list in which we have basically all of the certificate recipients to whom the generated certificates will be sent eventually. So for example, if I choose this sample to contacts, then if I hit next, then here we have the email content. For example, the email that with the PDF that will be sent to the candidate. For example, I can write, please find your certificate attached. Then I can say that send email to recipients, that whether the recipient should get the PDF version of the certificate on their mail directly. Then I can hit next. Then I can basically review and finalize. And then finally I can click confirm and generate. Now once I click confirm and generate, it is basically going to do its job in the backend, and it will basically will generate the certificate one by one and send to the correct recipients to their email ID the PDF version of the certificate. So currently it is in loading state, the status is scheduled, and it is already generated one certificate. Now it is going to generate another certificate because in total we have 2 contacts. So it is doing its job. It has, see, the total contacts is 2, certificates generated is 2, status is completed. And if I go to my certificates tab, these 2 people have received the certificates on their mail. And if I click on this view certificate button, then this is a public page in which one can see the certificate that they have received on their email. See, and the name has been pre-populated as a custom variable.